Are you someone who wants to build Android apps but feels intimidated by coding? Or maybe you're a developer looking for a convenient way to code on the go? Well, Sketchware Pro is the perfect solution for you. Unlike traditional IDEs, Sketchware Pro offers a visual, drag-and-drop programming interface that makes app development simple and intuitive. In this video, we'll show you ways to download the latest version of Sketchware Pro. And so let's get started. The first method is by downloading Sketchware Pro from its official Telegram group. Open your Telegram app and search for Sketchware Pro Community. Navigate to the Sketchware Pro Nightly topic. Here you'll find two variants of Sketchware Pro. Minimum API 21 for older devices, and Minimum API 26, which supports Java 8 and up, D8, and Kotlin. Tap on the version that best fits your device and download the APK. Once downloaded, install it like any other app and start building. To get Sketchware Pro, you can also go through their official website. Start by opening up any browser you like. Head over to sketchware.pro. Hit the Get Started button. Then pick Nightly. Similar to how you choose in Telegram, you'll have two options to select from, and this will give you a zip file with the APK inside. After the download finishes, unzip the file using your File Explorer. Now just install it as you would with any other APK file. And that's it. Now you know the easy ways to download Sketchware Pro and start creating your own Android apps effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Sketchware makes app development accessible, flexible, and mobile-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Sketchware Pro tips and tricks.